This is a lesson for Tom Dooley as played by Billy Strings, or pretty much as played by Doc Watson. Just a couple quick notes about this style. It's like a loose style where you're strumming chords and you're playing a melody at the same time. It can be a little tricky if you've never done it before to get used to something that's that loose, and it's hard to teach something that is that loose too. So I think the way to go is to learn it in like a really kind of tight, rigid way first, and get all your basic hits, and then you can just loosen up your right hand after you have that down. So that's how we're going to approach it. The other note is that pick direction is really important, so pay attention to your ups and downs. Okay, so the first phrase goes like this. So capo on the 3rd fret starts in a G shape. You do open to 2nd fret, hammer on the 5th string, a down up strum on the G chord, and then open 4th string, and a down up strum again. So switch over to the C shape, do a hammer on from open to 2 on string 4, and then you pluck strings 2 and 3 together, and then do an up, down, up strum on the C chord. So once you get to the C, so all together that is. So the next phrase sounds like this. So that is open 3rd string, 2nd fret 4th string, open 3rd string, 2nd fret 3rd string, open 3rd string, 2nd fret 4th string, and then open 4th string. So really slowly. Downs and ups are important here. So it's down, up, down, up, down, down, down. You polish that off with quick down up on the G chord, and then you do a hammer on from open to 2nd fret. So open to 2nd fret on string 4, and then 3rd string open, 4th string open. So all together that phrase slowly is. Okay, so the next phrase sounds like this. That's my favorite part. So it takes you into the D chord shape. So you start open on string 3, and then 2nd fret on the same string, and then you just arpeggiate up the rest of the D shape. So from there, you play strings 2 and 3 together, and then you let them go, play the same 2 strings. So up until this point, we have. From there, you start at fret 1 on string 2 and fret 2 on string 3. You pluck those 2 strings and then you slide it up 2 frets. And then you go back, and then you play the 3rd string open. So, but you want to hang on to this finger and then put the 3rd fret on string 4 down. And then you have this little up and down arpeggio, or down and up rather, where you play string 3, 4, 3, 2. So all together with the sliding, from the slide part, it goes. And then the whole phrase together very slowly from the D chord part. Okay, so the last phrase is. So you start in like the top of a C chord pretty much. You do a hammer-on from open to 2 on string 4. Then you strum the top part of a C chord and a down up. And then you do open 3rd string, 2nd fret 4th string, and then open 4th string. And then you do a down, up, down, up on the G. So all together. Also, occasionally, instead of he does so that would be, it's like just a variation on it. You start the same way with the hammer on, and then the down up, but instead of those 3 notes, you play open 3rd string, and then you do a hammer on from open to 2 on string 4, and then open 3rd string again, and then to the G chord. So okay, so for a nice slow playthrough. Okay, so that's the melody. The chord progression for the verse and chorus sounds like this. So what that is G, C, and D progression. The strumming pattern for the most part is down, down, up, with the first down stroke just being the bass note of each chord. So for the first chord, the G, you go down, down, up. Then you switch to a C chord. This is where the strumming pattern changes just for 1 bar. You go down, down, up, down, down, up. So it's down, down, up twice, but you're alternating the bass note, which is a really common thing. So down, down, up, change this finger here, down, down, up. Then you have another bar of C back to the original strumming pattern, down, down, up, and then back to G. D, G, C, D. I'm sorry, G. So, all together slowly. That's pretty much it. Okay, this is just an alternate way to close out the melody that he uses sometimes. It sounds like this. So that is, you should recognize this. That's all the same that we talked about before. But after this point, it ends differently. So that's the first bit of it. That's 3rd fret, 3rd string, open 3rd string, and then 2nd fret open on the 4th string, and then open 3rd string. Then this longer lick starts up on fret 3 of string 1. So 3rd, 1st on string 1, and then you do 3, 2, 1 on string 2, 3 on string 3, so everything up to there, And then you kind of backtrack a little bit. You do 2nd fret, 1st fret on string 2. And then you do 3rd fret sliding into the 4th fret on string 3. And then open. So from there, you do open, 2nd fret, pull off to open on string 4, and then open string 3, and then 2nd fret open on string 4, and then classic G run. Starting on string 5, you do fret 1, slide to fret 2, open string 4, pull off from 2 to open on string 4. So that end bit is okay, so that whole lick at the end, starting from the end of the melody, sounds like this. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, any requests, and check out the description for info about how to get tabs and backing tracks and stuff like that. Alright, thanks.